Hello, how are you? Hope you are doing well. This presentation is to answer the question, can solar panels be repaired? As we know, solar panels have a very simple structure. They consist of a translucent special glass pen, a translucent plastic film underneath, a silicon cell of about 0.2 millimeters thick with a wafer-thin metal passbars. Behind the cell is another plastic film, and then the back a special protective film or glass. Everything is firmly interconnected, usually with an aluminum frame with a seal. Solar panels are normally very robust, and the defects on them are very rare. If they do occur, repair is usually possible. If the glass on the front, for example, breaks due to extreme hail, a panel should be replaced to prevent moisture from getting inside and reducing the system's performance. A simple glass replacement is not possible here. After years in operation, the seal and the film on the back of the modules can become porous. An adhesive paste can be used to reseal the film against moisture intrusion. If, over time, the electrical cables become porous or diodes in the junction box fail, they can usually be replaced without complications. So, the solar panel or a panel can be repaired depending with the extent of damage. Some damages can be repaired while others cannot.